Hi, this is Jackie with WTI, and I want to share with you one of my favorite facial treatments. This is a bentonite clay face mask by Indian Healing Clay. It's an Aztec secret. So this bentonite clay, I heard about first from, you can see it's kind of like a light, almost greenish, neutral tone clay. A little goes a long way. You mix this with water and apple cider vinegar and make a paste and put it on your face, and it will just suck out everything in your pores. It's amazing. As it dries, your skin just gets tighter and tighter and you feel it pulsating, and afterwards your face has just been sucked clean of all those impurities. It's so great. My friend who first told me about this years ago had cystic acne, and this helped her with her skin so much, and I really enjoy it too. I try and use it like once every couple of weeks. So anyway, I highly recommend this bentonite clay mask, and that's my point of view.